Good morning, students. Last time we have seen the cell basic concepts and some of the components like nucleus, cell membrane. Today we will continue with the same topic. I will share the screen. Okay, last time we have seen nucleus and cell membrane component. Today we'll start with endoplasmic reticulum, which is the most important part of the cell. So this endoplasmic reticulum, as shown in the cell diagram, purposely I have repeated this diagram in order to show you where this endoplasmic reticulum is present. It is shown by this green color arrow, which is present at the bottom of the cell, and it is attached to the nucleus, and it is spread throughout the cytoplasm inside the cell. Okay, so this is a thread-like structure present inside the cell, which is known as an endoplasmic reticulum. You can see this pink colored thread-like structure in this diagram. I will show by scrolling mouse also. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. Go through it within 30 seconds. I hope you have gone through it. The next component are nothing but the ribosomes. These ribosomes are the most important part and which take part inside the protein synthesis, and this acts as the sites for the protein synthesis. In any body growth and development, protein synthesis is the most important process. So these ribosomes play a very important role in this protein synthesis process. So these are formed by the nucleolus and pass out of the nuclear envelope. Okay, you can show this microscopic image of these ribosomes. Ribosomes act as the most important site for the protein synthesis. Now we will see the functions of this endoplasmic reticulum. It helps materials to circulate through the cell. Then storage site for the enzymes. It acts as a storage site for the enzyme. Endoplasmic reticulum with attached ribosomes is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is shown like this here. Okay, this is also a microscopic image of the cell inside structure where this rough endoplasmic reticulum is shown, where it is attached with ribosomes. And if this endoplasmic reticulum is present without ribosomes, then it is known as a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then this is known as a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, all of you go through this diagram within 1 minute. All of you go through this diagram within 1 minute. So in this way, this endoplasmic reticulum is available inside the cell. Through scanning electron microscopic image, which shows the presence of this endoplasmic reticulum inside the cell. The next part is the Golgi complex. It is present inside the cell in terms of package sacs, in the form of package sacs. You might be able to see inside this diagram. You might be able to see inside this diagram. These are packets present inside the cell. Okay, it consists of Golgi apparatus. This is the Golgi body. Okay, and then it is below that there is presence of endoplasmic reticulum. So collection of membranes associated with the endoplasmic reticulum. It sorts, packages, and secretes proteins and lipids. So these also contribute for the protein functioning. Forming phase site for proteins to enter inside the cell. Maturing phase site where vesicles live. So this also helpful in and out of the cell, for material in and out inside the cell. The next part is the lysosome. It is having membrane-like sac-like structure. Membrane-bound spherical organelles that contain enzymes capable of digesting organic molecules. Lysosomes fuse with phagocytic vesicles to expose vesicles content to the lysosomal enzyme. From primary lysosome, secondary lysosome is formed by the fusion process. Then vacuoles, these are nothing but the membranous sacs. Its function is to pump water to maintain the internal stasis, means internal temperature and other conditions. It acts as a storing site for the food. This is a diagram for the vacuoles. Okay, this is the site for the vacuoles. Go through this diagram. Next is the mitochondria. Mitochondria act as the powerhouse of the cell. It generates the power inside the cell, and this power is used for the body functioning. So mitochondria are the most important organism present in the body or inside the cell, and which act as the powerhouse of the cell, which generate the power, and this power is utilized for day-to-day activity by the organisms. And this also support gives the powers to all other organelles to function. So this is a diagram of mitochondria. It consists of a matrix, cristae, inner membrane, and outer membrane. So mitochondria are the most important functioning part of the cell, which act as the power of the cell, which store the power and gives the energy to the body. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll stop here, and next topic will continue in the next video session. Thank you very much.